What's up, YouTube? 2003 Saturn fan here. I'm actually at Coupe right now looking for parts for the car, but I found this. It's a 2004 Ion 3 Quad Coupe, the CVT. It's got a light front end. It was in a front end collision, a light one obviously. Everything's original to it but these wheels. Has 180,000 on it. It's gonna be a quick walk around. Got a bunch of stuff in the trunk, but you know. Look at the inside right quick. I pulled some stuff out of it already, so it's got tan cloth interior. I pulled the seatbelt loops and stuff too. Do a sticker. Okay. Anyway, figured I'd show this real quick. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.